Can you answer 5 tricky questions about the animal kingdom before time runs out? Let's find out. Question 1. Which animal can sleep for up to 3 years straight? Yes, you're right, it's lizard. Question 2. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? The right answer is bat. Question 3. Which animal's teeth never stop growing? Yes, it's beaver. Question 4. Which creature has the most legs? Great job, it's millipede. Question 5. What animal has the largest eyes relative to its body size? That's right, it's chameleon. For more amazing videos, follow us and hit like, share.